Artificial intelligence is no longer just a concept. It is a reality that is changing the world. One of the industries that is being heavily impacted by AI is manufacturing. From assembly lines to supply chains, AI is being used to increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve product quality. In this video, we will explore the many ways in which AI is changing factories and examine the benefits and challenges of adopting this technology. We will look at real-world examples of companies that have successfully implemented AI solutions and discuss what the future holds for this industry. Let us take a look at the impact of AI on factories and discover how it is transforming the manufacturing industry. AI is being used in factories to perform a variety of tasks, from monitoring equipment and predicting maintenance needs to optimizing supply chains and improving product quality. One of the key benefits of AI in factories is its ability to analyze large amounts of data and make decisions in real time. This allows manufacturers to respond quickly to changes in the market and stay ahead of the competition. AI is also being used to improve worker safety by identifying potential hazards and preventing accidents. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in factories. Predictive maintenance is one of the most significant applications of AI in factories. By analyzing data from sensors and machines, AI algorithms can predict when equipment is likely to fail, allowing manufacturers to schedule maintenance and minimize downtime. This approach has been shown to reduce maintenance costs by up to 30% and increase overall equipment effectiveness by up to 25%. Companies such as General Electric and Siemens are already using predictive maintenance to improve the efficiency of their operations. By reducing downtime and increasing productivity, predictive maintenance is helping manufacturers to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. AI is also being used to improve quality control in factories. By analyzing data from production lines and inspecting products in real time, AI algorithms can detect defects and anomalies, allowing manufacturers to take corrective action before products reach the market. This approach has been shown to reduce defect rates by up to 90% and improve overall product quality. Companies such as BMW and Volkswagen are already using AI-powered quality control systems to improve the quality of their vehicles. By reducing defect rates and improving product quality, AI is helping manufacturers to build trust with their customers and establish a reputation for excellence. AI is being used to optimize supply chains in factories by analyzing data on demand, inventory levels, and shipping schedules. By predicting demand and identifying potential bottlenecks, AI algorithms can help manufacturers to optimize their supply chains and reduce costs. This approach has been shown to reduce inventory levels by up to 30% and improve delivery times by up to 25%. Companies such as Amazon and Walmart are already using AI-powered supply chain optimization systems to improve the efficiency of their operations. By reducing costs and improving delivery times, AI is helping manufacturers to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Robots and automation are being used in factories to improve efficiency and reduce cost. By automating tasks such as assembly and inspection, manufacturers can reduce labor costs and improve product quality. AI is being used to control and optimize robotic systems, allowing them to work more efficiently and effectively. Companies such as Tesla and Ford are already using AI-powered robotic systems to improve the efficiency of their operations. By reducing labor costs and improving product quality, AI is helping manufacturers to stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. AI is being used to analyze data in factories, providing insights on production, quality, and maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors and machines, AI algorithms can identify trends and patterns, allowing manufacturers to make data-driven decisions. This approach has been shown to improve productivity by up to 20% and reduce costs by up to 15%. Companies such as Cisco and IBM are already using AI-powered data analytics systems to improve the efficiency of their operations. By providing insights and recommendations, AI is helping manufacturers to optimize their operations and stay ahead of the competition. As factories become increasingly reliant on AI and automation, cybersecurity is becoming a major concern. By protecting against cyber threats, manufacturers can prevent downtime and protect sensitive data. AI is being used to detect and prevent cyber attacks, allowing manufacturers to stay one step ahead of hackers. Companies such as Microsoft and McAfee are already using AI-powered cybersecurity systems to protect their operations. By reducing the risk of cyber attacks, AI is helping manufacturers to protect their reputation and maintain customer trust. Several companies have already successfully implemented AI solutions in their factories. For example, BMW has used AI to improve the quality of its vehicles, while Volkswagen has used AI to optimize its supply chain. General Electric has used AI to predict maintenance needs, while Siemens has used AI to improve worker safety. These companies are just a few examples of the many manufacturers that are using AI to transform their operations. By adopting AI solutions, manufacturers can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in factories. The world of manufacturing is changing rapidly, and AI is playing a major role in this transformation. From predictive maintenance to quality control, AI is helping manufacturers to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and stay competitive. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in factories. If you want to stay up to date on the latest advancements in AI and manufacturing, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will be bringing you more content on the future of industry and innovation, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community.